Look at that. Look how pretty it is. Anyone that suffers with puffiness, dark circles, bags, crow's feet, fine lines, which I feel like is all of us. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video you'll see that I'm all fresh faced, no makeup on yet. This is going to be a little get ready with me, which is the first time that I've ever done one of these videos. Whilst I get ready, I am going to be showing you a very exciting Foreo product, and I'm also going to show you how I really quickly spruce up my hair on a day-to-day with the Dyson Airwrap whenever it is dirty. Because guys, we are at day 7. I've not washed my hair in 7 days. It's greasy, it's flat, it's limp. So I'm going to show you how I spruce it up really quickly and really easily. So let's just get straight into it. So guys, it is the morning time. So like I said, all fresh face, and I have cleansed my face. I have toned it. And the next step is moisturizing, but I always start with moisturizing my eyes. And guys, since turning 30, I'm actually almost 31. I have just noticed like that my crow's feet, my wrinkles, like the dark bags under my eyes, I can just really notice that I'm aging around the eye area. So I always try and look for really natural, low maintenance, quick, easy ways to keep my skin looking as youthful and as glowing and as plumped as possible. So that is why I am introducing the Foreo Iris2. So this is basically a little rejuvenating eye massager. So yeah, it massages those eyes, and I'm going to use this to apply my eye cream. And as I do that, I'm going to explain the benefits of this. Honestly guys, like I've said before, I do not recommend anything on this channel that I have not tried, tested and love myself. If I did not love this, I would not be wasting my time talking about this. I get sent plenty of products, and there is lots of products that I'm like, your product is great, but it is not for me. I do not enjoy it, therefore I don't want to talk about it on my channel. So like I said, if I'm talking about it, it's because I love it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of eye cream just under both of my eyes. Also, it comes in this beautiful little pink pouch, which I just love because I travel a lot. So it just keeps it all nice and clean and lovely. And guys, to use this, you just quickly charge it up and the charge lasts forever. I've been using this for a month now, and I've been using it every day, and I still haven't had to recharge it yet. So guys, I'm gonna turn this on, and as you can see, it moves. Basically what that is meant to replicate, finger tapping acupressure, and then it also has a little pulsation, and that is basically supposed to massage the eye area. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just going to use it to apply my eye cream, and this just feels so relaxing, guys. So this reduces puffiness, it reduces the dark circles under your eyes, it reduces your fine lines and your crow feet, which I'm getting a lot of because, well, I laugh a lot, okay? It's laughter lines. And it only takes 30 seconds. So I do about 30 seconds on this eye, and once that is all massaged in, I am gonna move over to the other side. Also guys, sometimes I use it like this, sometimes I flip it over, sometimes I actually do this and it kind of gives like my eyelids a bit of a massage too, and it actually just feels so relaxing. Why this is so much better than using your finger is this helps the cream get right under the skin, and so it really absorbs it. Guys, I have been using this for about a month now, and honestly, I have noticed so much difference, especially in the dark circles under my eyes, and I can completely feel that the eye cream is just getting absorbed so much better than whenever I use my finger. Also, I just feel after using it, my eyes just look more radiant, which is another thing that it is supposed to do, but I'm just saying I can really notice it. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the time I actually find my skincare regime like a little bit of a chore. Whenever you have gadgets like this, like it just makes it so much more fun. Like I find that I now like enjoy it and treat it like almost like a little like spa experience. As anyone that suffers with puffiness, dark circles, bags, crow's feet, fine lines, which I feel like is all of us, I highly recommend the Foreo Iris2. Yes, go check it out. I am gonna have it linked in the description. We are going to move on and finish off the rest of the face. So we are gonna get through this super quickly, guys. Right, so now I'm just gonna add some moisturizing cream. Now I want to give my skin a little bit more of an even complexion, so I am gonna put some Tilbury Flawless Filter on, get a brush. Now we are going to add some brows. We're gonna add just a little bit of mascara, and on a day-to-day, whenever I'm just doing something simple, I only add the lightest coat of mascara. Usually just add a little bit of blush. There we go. A little bit of lip gloss. Skin is complete. The eyes are looking youthful, glowing, beautiful. The skin's looking tight. You can't see the crow's feet. All thanks to this bad boy. Okay, now on to the hair. A little bit of a greasy mop. Right, so get a quick brush. I actually gave myself a bit of a bouncy blow dry, like I said, 7 days ago. And I'd say it's actually looking pretty well to say it's been 7 days, but I just feel like I could do with a little bit of a jizz, especially at the roots and around the front. So the first thing I'm gonna do, rather than adding water, I'm gonna add some leave-in conditioner, because at this point, the hair needs some moisture. We are going to apply one brush. I'm gonna mainly just focus on the top section because I already still have a good bit of curl here. High heat, high speed. And you're gonna pull your hair in the opposite direction just to lift that root a little bit. And then once you get to the end of the hair, you're gonna roll it, hold it for just a few seconds, turn it off, and there we go. You can already see that this side is looking a little bit more plumped up than this side. You're not going to do your bangs, guys. We are going to leave those last. Turn it off. This is at the forefront of the face, is what is caressing our beautifully massaged eyes. Let's go. Then we're gonna roll the bangs up. We're gonna leave for about 5 seconds. You can absolutely set with a cold shot if you want, if your hair struggles to hold. If it does not struggle to hold, don't worry about the cold shot. Don't waste your time. Let's turn it off. And look at that. Now guys, we are not complete yet. We are gonna dry shampoo our hair. That is again gonna add with volume. It's gonna take away some of that excess oil. It's gonna make it look more fluffy, more bouncy. And you wanna spray at the roots because that is where all that lovely grease is. Tip my hair upside down. This stuff smells incredible, by the way. Look at that. It looks like a 90s supermodel. Love it. If I seen someone walking down the street, I would think that this is fresh, washed, hair day hair. God, I just can't get it. I would feel like she had just washed her hair, okay? That is what I'm trying to say. Really quickly, if you don't have the bounce in the end, like I still had the bounce on the ends, after those few days, what you want to do, top section like what I just done, but rather than going through every section of your hair, you just want to get the ends, roll it in the brush, hold it for a few seconds, and for each strand of hair you want to do it in opposite ways. So for one strand you might do it under, for another strand you'll do it on top. That will just give this look of it looking more bouncy and more voluminous at the ends of the hair, and just give it more dimension and give it more flow. So guys, there we go. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be linking all of the products that I used in the description, including the Foreo Iris2 if you want to go check it out. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.